All right. Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony Deloach, and I am going to be your host for this evening. And I'm absolutely excited about the information that I get to share with you all tonight. As I said before, this information is definitely changing lives all across the world. So I want to let you know right up front that you are in the right place at the right time, and you're about to get the right information, guys. You're going to see how we are taking our lives to the next level with this incredible opportunity in the cryptocurrency space, guys. This is amazing. This is one of the best opportunities I've seen in the passive cryptocurrency space, one of the strongest opportunities that I've seen out there. And I believe you guys are going to agree with me once you see the information tonight. So I want to let you guys know that I'm going to pull up go ahead and pull up my information here, pull up the slides for you so you guys can see this. But I want to let you know that if somebody invited you on the line tonight, they really love and care about you because they wanted to see you win. They were ready to see you win. They have seen something absolutely phenomenal. They've experienced something absolutely phenomenal, and they were ready for you to get involved with this as well. So guys, I hope you are ready for it. Now I need to make sure that you guys can hear me loud and clear. So I need all my go-getters, all my millionaires, all my wealth creators that are on the line with me tonight. If you could do me a favor and go ahead and drop a 777 in the chat for me. Jump in the chat, drop a 777 in there for me. Let me know you can hear me loud and clear. There you go. I see it coming in. I want to give a shout out to my brother, Roger Sutherland, for helping me manage the room tonight. Incredible. I thank you, sir, for your efforts. I thank you for all that you're doing. He's going to make sure everybody gets admitted to the room tonight. To make sure nobody misses this information. I see we still have people loading up, guys. We got 84 people on the call, 85, 86. It's rocking and rolling. Let's get to 100 so I can do a phenomenal giveaway tonight, guys. I'm excited about doing this giveaway tonight for everyone. We're going to get somebody started with this incredible opportunity tonight. Right? We're going to get somebody started. We're going to do an incredible giveaway. Okay. We get to 100 people. So make sure you're sending out those last minute text messages. Right? So I want you guys to do that. Now, before I get into everything, I do want to go over just a couple of housekeeping things. I want to make sure we have a really, really effective presentation tonight. Okay. So the first thing I want everyone to do is to check your phone or your device. I want you to make sure that that is on mute for me. Okay. I need that to be on mute so that no one is distracted while they're trying to hear this information. I need to make sure that no one is distracted. Okay. So make sure your device is on mute. We're going to try to handle that on our end as much as possible, but I want you guys to do that for me. Here's the next thing, guys. Make sure that you have something to write on and something to write with tonight. Tonight, I need you to take some copious notes, right? You probably say, Anthony, why are you using the big word? Let me break it down for you. I need you to take a lot of notes tonight, guys, because we're going to share some non-traditional information with you tonight. I'm telling you, this is non-traditional. If this is your first time hearing this presentation, this is not like anything else that you have seen, but I want to tell you that this non-traditional information can help you make some non-traditional income. Okay, I just wanted to make sure you guys understand that this non-traditional information can help you all make some non-traditional income. Can I see in the chat how many people are ready to make some non-traditional income? If that is you, can you do me a favor and drop a 1 in the chat? I just want to make sure we got the right people on the line tonight. Drop a 1 in the chat if you're ready to make some non-traditional income. By the time I finish with this presentation, you're going to agree that we're making non-traditional income. I promise you that you're going to agree that this is some non-traditional income. Okay. Now, here's the next thing I want to tell you guys. Right. And I think this is the most important thing. This is the last thing and the most important, guys. Here's what I want you guys to do. I need everybody on the line with me tonight to go ahead and relax. I want you to relax. I don't want you to be uptight. I don't want you to be intense. I don't want you to be skeptical at all. And the reason why I don't want you to do that, because tonight I'm not going to put any type of a high pressure sales pitch on you at all. That's not my style. That's not what I do. I want you guys to really understand this. No high pressure sales pitch. See, tonight, I'm not on here to tell you about the latest and greatest product, potion, or pill that you had to sell in order to make money. That's not what this is about. Somebody on the line tonight is saying, hallelujah, amen, I'm glad, thankful. Somebody over there is clapping their hands saying, look, I'm glad because I'm tired of hearing about everything that we got to do to sell and all this other stuff to make money, right? And you're saying, I don't want to hear about that anymore. And I understand that's why we're not doing that tonight. Tonight, we're going to share with you a genuine making money opportunity. Right? We're going to show you how you can put your money to work for you. See, I know most of us has been cultivated to go out and bust our butt and work hard for money. right? But I want to tell y'all that's just the first stage of wealth creation. We got to graduate from that. That's the kindergarten of wealth creation. What we got to do is graduate to, we're going to flip the script on money, and we're going to make money work hard for us. That's what we're going to do tonight. We're going to show you a way to do that through the powerful cryptocurrency strategy called crypto arbitrage, right? I want you guys to really know that this is how this is going to work. This is going to be absolutely amazing. And you guys are going to be excited about what you're going to hear tonight, guys. So let's get ready to rock and roll. I want to introduce to some and present to others this incredible company and opportunity that's called COTPS. I know it sounds strange, guys. COTPS, but it stands for Crypto OTC Trading Platform. Okay, I want you guys to understand that that's what it is. We're going to take advantage of a cryptocurrency strategy that's called crypto arbitrage, right? We're going to take advantage of this, and you're going to see how powerful this strategy is in just a second. But I want to tell you guys that this is blowing people away. Look, I'm just going to get into it because what I got to share with you guys is going to be absolutely phenomenal. So let me go ahead and go into the disclaimer really quick. I want you guys to understand how we participate with these platforms. I want everybody to understand how to be successful and how to get the most out of these platforms. So I'm going to read through our disclaimer really quick, and I want you guys to listen closely, okay? Here's the disclaimer. The information in this webinar is for educational purposes only, and it is not investment or financial advice. The passive income industry is risky, and you should only invest the amount that you can afford to lose. Past performance is not indicative of future results. All of our webinars, videos, emails, and social media posts are only our own opinions of programs that are working for us. Please understand this before you invest your time or money. Do your research before investing or parting ways with your hard-earned money. Remember, our number one rule is for you to get into profit as soon as possible based on your own risk tolerance and goals. We want you to start to play with what we refer to as house money as quickly as possible. Now, guys, if you listen to what I said, if you understand what was in this disclaimer, you're going to know how to participate with not only this platform, but many other platforms in our space and be successful. This is how we have been able to create success through these platforms, because we play by these guidelines and we do not deviate. Right. So I want you guys to really take that in, because this is going to be absolutely phenomenal. Now, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the information here. Now, you want to know why this is special. Most people come on the line, they say, well, look, everybody's excited about this. I heard about this. I heard somebody talking about this. What makes this special? Well, the first thing I want to tell you that makes this special is that there's absolutely no selling required. Right? You do not have to sell anything to make money with this opportunity. Right? See, it's too many opportunities out there that you got to sell some makeup, you got to sell some services, you got to sell some other stuff. And only if you have good sales skills or an incredible network can you make any significant amount of money with those opportunities. That's the truth. Most people who are promoting those opportunities won't tell you that. I know, because I've been in those opportunities. But today I'm telling you that there's no selling required. I need to know how many people are excited that there's no selling required with this opportunity. Drop a 2 in the chat if you're excited about that. Right? There's no selling required. Most people can't even believe it, but I'm going to show you why no selling is required for you to kill it and crush it with this opportunity. Right? Here's the next thing, guys. No recruiting required. Now, I know you guys are going to be blown away about this. You don't have to recruit anyone to make money with this. Let me break this down really quick. I want to let you guys know this is not a matrix. This is not a susu. This is not a loom. This is not a flower. This is not any of that. You don't have to worry about it. I know you guys probably got involved with some of that stuff before. Somebody got you into that. You lost some money in those things. But I want to tell you, you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to bring in 6, who bring in 2, to bring in 3, to bring in 4, and in order for you to get paid. You don't have to do that. There's no recruiting required. This is a level playing field, right? Here's the next thing, guys. There's a lot of companies out there, and I'm not knocking them. They're great companies. There's a lot of companies out there that are teaching you how to trade, right? And that's phenomenal. I believe trading is an amazing skill for you to learn. It's a skill that nobody can take from you. But here's what I do know also, because I've been involved in that and I've shown people that, right? I want to tell you this. I know that everybody is not interested in learning how to trade. As a matter of fact, everybody does not have the capacity to trade. Everybody is not built like that they can go in and trade that way. So there's a lot of people who tried to trade on their own. They got into trading. They even tried to copy and paste trade signals and all of this other stuff, but they weren't successful. They lost money. They blew accounts. They did all of this stuff. So there's a lot of people saying, look, I know cryptocurrency is doing some amazing things. I know cryptocurrency is making it happen, but I want to be successful in it, but I do not want to learn how to trade. Let me participate in this new wave of wealth in a way that I can make money without trading. No complicated strategies, no Fibonacci's, no reversals, none of that stuff, no candlesticks, no pips, none of that, right? If you're excited about making money without having to learn how to trade, now I need you to drop a 3 in the chat for me. Drop a 3 in the chat. What you guys are going to notice is I'm not your normal presenter. Yes, I'm hype, but this is not hype, right? I am not your normal presenter. I'm going to get you guys engaged in my presentation because I'm not just going to sit here and talk at you and let you guys fall asleep. I need to make sure that you're still actively paying attention, right? I need you guys to know that we're rocking it out. Man, we're at 139 people on this call. Let's rock this thing out. We could get to 150. Let's continue to invite people, okay? So guys, I'm telling you, this is so special because it's not like any of those opportunities, right? So let's go a little bit further. We're going to talk about the COTP exchange overview. This is a high frequency trading crypto platform. It's real time and fast trading to earn wealth from high frequency trading. This is straight from the company's website, right? I want to tell you guys that this is what this platform is. On the company's website, it says this is fast trading to earn wealth. See, we're going to move from making money to creating wealth. We're going to move from making money to creating wealth. All right. We're going to use true wealth building principles and we're going to create some wealth in our lives, right? So let's talk about it. We're going to talk about this incredible company and what they have done. We're going to talk about the company roadmap, right? Here's the company was started back in 2019. This information is open for everybody to see on the company's website, right? So you can go 2019. They were conducting market research, right? They were researching crypto arbitrage and how effective was this. They were finding the best way to actually implement crypto arbitrage as a strategy. Right now in 2019, they established the platform. So they said, look, let's get it set up. We figured out what's successful. Let's get it set up. They officially launched in 2019 as well. In 2020, they had 100,000 users in 2020. Right now, I want to tell you that this is a very small amount of users, right? Because they hadn't publicly promoted it and put it out there. Very small amount of users of 100,000. Right? In 2021, this is when they said, hey, look, this thing is absolutely phenomenal. It's passed all the tests, all of that type of stuff. And this is where they decided that they're going to launch a global project. And that's why you're hearing about this today. There were certain leaders that got on board. They said, hey, look, this is incredible. There were certain leaders that got on board and said, man, we got to get this out there. We got to do this global project. So they registered. So if you go out there, you will see where they registered at the end of 2020 and October of 2021. They officially registered as a company in the United States, right? This is when they went ahead. They got their money service business license. Now they went ahead and they got different licenses, which we're going to show you on the screen here and what they need to do to actually become legit, right? And so that they can actually help more people. So let's go into it. Let's look at some documentation. One thing that I always say is that documentation beats conversation. So instead of me just telling you about it, let me show you. Here is the United States Money Service Business License that's issued by FinCEN. That's the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, right? So FinCEN has actually issued them a money service business license, right? So they have already obtained that. You can see that this was dated for 10/25/2021. Now, I want to tell you that this is another layer of credibility for the company. Does it mean it is absolutely foolproof? No, but this is powerful that they did go ahead and get this money service business license, right? So that's amazing. I'm glad that they do have this. Here's another thing. They got the Canada money service business license as well. Right. So they have that. You see, they just registered for this on March 21st of 2022, but they got this, guys. This is something else that they went ahead and they got the documentation on. So I'm glad they got that documentation. Here's another thing, right? We went back and they said they were operating back in 2019. We did some of our own digging, our own due diligence, and we found proof of transactions that date back to 2019. We wanted to make sure that we had that documentation. And guess what, guys? We have that right here. So you guys can see that on our screen right now. So that's also absolutely exciting, right? So now let's talk about what crypto arbitrage is, because you guys now know that this company has a viable platform, but you want to know what exactly is that strategy. Well, I want to talk to you about the strategy. I want to do a basic brief overview. I'm not going to go into much detail, but I want you to understand what it is. Crypto arbitrage trading is a type of trading strategy where investors capitalize on slight price discrepancies of a digital asset across multiple markets and exchanges. What this means is that they will find a cryptocurrency on one market in one exchange and sell it almost simultaneously on another market and another exchange for a higher price. Simple as that, guys. That's what happens, right? So this is what they happen. They do this, and what they offer us through crypto arbitrage is the ability to take advantage of that without us having to find the crypto, find the market, or find the exchange. We don't have to find any of that. Their software, their system does all of that for us and allows us to participate in crypto arbitrage. Now, what is the benefit of actually using crypto arbitrage as a strategy? You can start making profits through a process that involves little or no risk, right? The other great thing about this strategy is that you don't have to be a professional investor with aggressive setup in order to begin arbitrage trading. So I want you guys to understand, this is why this is great for beginners. This is why we talk to people about who've never been in cryptocurrency, people who've never made money through cryptocurrency, people who barely know what cryptocurrency is. That's why they're able to make money with this incredible opportunity. So if you were on this call saying, hey man, I don't know anything about cryptocurrency, maybe this is not for me, I want you to stay on, because definitely I believe you're going to see an opportunity for yourself. Right now, let's talk about this, right? You probably say, well, how powerful is this strategy? Let me show you this, right? The youngest billionaire in the world, right? He attributes his success and his money, the money that he's made, to crypto arbitrage. Sam Bankman-Fried, a former ETF trader at Jane Street, he developed a net worth of $9 billion from crypto trading in 3.5 years. Hold on, $9 billion. That's billion with a B. I want y'all to understand that. $9 billion from crypto trading in 3.5 years. He explained his success comes from lucrative arbitrage opportunities in crypto. This is why this is amazing. How many of you all are glad to be participating with a strategy and in a market that created a billionaire in 3 years? Not only a billionaire, but 9 billion. If you're excited about being in that market and that strategy, drop a 4 in the chat, right? There's a lot of other strategies you could choose. There's a lot of other markets, a lot of stuff that's going on out there, but choose the one that it created the world's youngest billionaire. 9 billion in 3.5 years. I said, look, if he created 9 billion in 3.5 years, if I could get to 100 million in a year, it would be good. Right? I said, look, if I could get to 100 million, now, yeah, it ain't even got to be a million. Look, if you look, give me 5 years and I get to 100 million, I'm set. I'm set, right? This is incredible. So I want to tell you how that's how powerful this strategy is. Okay. Now let's talk about why COTP. Right. Here's the first thing. You guys are going to get excited about this. Here's the first reason why I said COTP is going to be a game changer. You can earn up to 3.6% per day. Hold on. I want y'all to let that sink in. Up to 3.6% per day from this incredible opportunity. Now, I hope y'all know, in this environment where we are in the banking environment, and yes, Feds just raised rates, all this other stuff. But look, in the banking environment that we are in, you can barely get 0.06%. I know, because I looked at the stats. On April 27th, they updated the stats and said the average savings account pays 0.06% per year. which is pennies on your money. But we just showed you an opportunity where you could get up to 3.6% profit per day. How is that possible? I'm going to show you in just a second, right? Because through this platform, you can take advantage of arbitrage trades every 2 hours. You earn approximately 0.3% every 2 hours. How many hours in a day? How many of those 2 hour segments can you get in a day? 12. 3.6% per day. Whew. Somebody dropping in the chat. They said you can't beat inflation rates without this, right? Exactly. Without something like this, without something more powerful, you're in a losing situation. If you put your money in your mattress, you're losing. If you put your money in a savings account, you're losing. Right now, if you put your money in a CD, you're losing. Why? Because most CDs paying less than 2%. Or 2% or 3%. Inflation is about 7.5% per year now. How in the world are you supposed to get ahead? We got a way. We're going to show you tonight. Look, you don't have to do what we do, but find something that's powerful to be able to get yourself ahead. Here's another thing. I want you guys to understand this. I like COTP because you get access to your capital and not just once a week, not once a month, once a quarter. You get access to your capital. Your capital is available every 2 hours whenever it's not in a transaction. Remember, your transactions are every 2 hours. So every 2 hours, you can withdraw your profit and your capital. It's all available for you there. You can withdraw it. And here's number 3. Let me check off number 3. When you withdraw it, the withdrawals are fast. They don't make you wait days, months, weeks. They don't make you wait that. Your withdrawals are processed quickly and they hit your wallets within minutes. They hit your wallets within minutes. So if you decide, hey, look, I want to pull out my money. I want to pull out some money. You do a withdrawal. You can go withdraw and you be like, boom. And in less than 10 minutes, it's in your wallet. That's the flexibility. That's the power we need. This is absolutely incredible, guys. Let's keep this party rolling. I want to talk to you about compounding, right? Because compounding can change your life. Somebody said they get theirs in seconds. I know. I just want to make sure that we give a little leeway, right? I know we get them in seconds, but I'm just saying we got to give them a little leeway, right? So, but I want to tell you this: daily compounding. There is very rare that you get to take advantage of daily compounding. There's always opportunities to take advantage of compounding. You can compound at 0.06% per year. But if you had $10,000 in the bank after 3 years at 0.06% per year, you only made $18. Yeah, that's compounding. You compounding, right? But you only got $18. What if you had the opportunity to take advantage of daily compounding? Actually, I'm just saying daily compounding because we can't find a calculator that can quantify the every 2 hour compounding that you actually take advantage of in this incredible platform. So we're going to break it down and we're going to make it daily, right? So let's talk about this, right? I'm going to talk about what we have here. $1,000. I'm going to show you an example of daily compounding that's going to blow your mind. $1,000. If you decide that you could risk $1,000, you put $1,000 into COTP, right? 1,000 USDT, rather. I want to make sure I'm right. 1,000 USDT you put into COTP. Can I tell you, you more than double your money in the first month with this incredible program? In the first month, you more than double your money. If you think that's good already, if you're like, hey, look, Anthony, more than double your month in the first double your money in the first month, drop a 5 if you think that's good. How many other places are you doubling your money within the first month? Come on, guys, it's already fire. If I didn't go any further than this, this would be good enough. You double your money in the first month. Okay, more than double, right? But look, how about you let it stay in there a little bit longer? You go to 2 months. Your $1,000 is now $6,000. Oh, somebody's getting it now. Somebody is getting it now. In 2 months, your 1,000 is 6,000. Okay, let's go a little bit further. In 3 months, your 1,000 is 14,000. Okay, let's get it better. In 4 months, your 1,000 is 36,000. In 5 months, your 1,000 is 89,000. Let me tell you, month 6, here it is, the big dog. We talk about 6 figures. Your 1,000 turns into multiple 6 figures in 6 months. This is a 6-month game plan to 6 figures. 6 months to 6 figures. $220,000, over $220,000 after 6 months. How many of you all will be excited about turning 1,000 to 6 figures? 6 months to 6 figures. If you're excited about that alone, can you do me a favor? Drop a 6 in the chat. 6 months to 6 figures. Not you busting your butt. There's people out there busting their butt trying to get to 6 figures on their job. They're working 40, 50, 60 hours a week. They ain't even coming close to 6 figures. We're showing you a way where you ain't even got to work for it and make 6 figures. And guys, look, I want to talk to you about this. Some people maybe look and say, well, is it possible with that platform? Can I tell y'all, I already withdrew multiple 6 figures from this platform. I already made multiple 6 figures from this platform. I've been in for 51 days. 51 days, multiple 6 figures. I just say that, I'm not saying that to impress you, but to impress upon you that this is already happening. I told y'all we're not here. We're not here to play games. And we're not here to try something out on you that we are already participating in. I promise you. I'm going to show you. As a matter of fact, before we get off this call, is it all right if I show y'all my withdrawal today? If I show you what I'm going to withdraw, I withdraw every single day. Is it okay that I show you what I withdraw today? If y'all okay with that, drop a 7 in the chat. I'm going to show y'all what I withdraw today, right? I'm going to put it out there. I'm going to show it. I know documentation beats conversation. I know. So I'm going to show you tonight, right? Let me tell you this. I know I told you up front. I don't want anybody to get scared at this point when you see what's on the screen. I don't want you to get scared, right? There's no recruiting required. This is a affiliate program, right? Here's what there's a referral compensation program that's out of this world. All they're saying is, look, if you like the money you're making, share this with somebody else and let them make some money too. Right? They say sharing is caring. I like that. That's a cute saying. Sharing is caring, right? But I want to tell you this. If you're making money the way we're making money, it's almost unethical for you not to share. The reason why I say that, because you can share something with somebody. They don't have to recruit anybody. They don't have to sell anything, but they can definitely put their money to work for them. This is going to help somebody get out of a financial situation that has them tied up, that has them in bondage, that has them right now trying to figure out how they're going to eat, how they're going to live. There's people in financial situations right now. I'm telling you guys, share this with somebody. Even if you weren't compensated for it, I would still tell you the same thing. But luckily, this company has an incredible compensation plan. Let me tell you this. They're not like most other companies where they pay you big amounts off of people getting started, right? That's why a lot of those companies end up messed up. What they do is, this is a profit-based compensation plan. What that means is that they pay you a percentage of the profits that the people you refer actually make every time they enter trades. Every time they complete trades, whatever profit they're making, they're going to pay you a percentage of those profits. Remember, I told you that's every 2 hours. That means you have the potential to get paid every 2 hours whenever they complete trades. On your level 1, you get paid 15%. On your level 2, that means the people that they invite, you get paid 10%. And then the people that those people invite, you get paid 5% of whatever profits that they are making on every 2 hour basis. Guys, this is absolutely phenomenal right here. This right here will change your life. I'm going to show you how it's changed mine. I'm going to show you how it's changed mine. This is a simple compensation plan. You don't have to get all complicated with it. You don't have to look, It's not that you're like, I got to build 2 legs, 3 legs, 4 legs, 6 legs. I got to put 3 people here. No, it's not that. It's not that. Just take advantage of the compensation plan for what it is. You refer people, they make money, you make money. Simple as that. When they make money, you make money, right? So let's go a little bit further. That's all I got to explain on the compensation plan. That's how simple it is. I'm not going to, it's not about the compensation plan. It's about helping people make money. So I don't even have to spend much time on the compensation plan, right? Let's talk about this. I know there's some questions somebody's drawing on my screen. Let me see if I clear that off. I want to make sure y'all can see everything. All right. Look, there's some frequently asked questions. Here's what we get a lot. We get these questions a lot. So I want to make sure we go over and get them done, right? Here's the first question that we get: how to fund. Guys, you do have to use cryptocurrency to fund this. You cannot fund this with US dollars. You cannot fund that, but you do fund it with USDT TRC20. That is USDT that is on the Tron network. Sora, who invited you onto the to the Zoom tonight? Whoever invited you on the Zoom should be able to get you a link there. If not, you can direct message me and I'll get you a link, right? But if I invited you, but somebody else probably invited you, so make sure that you get with them. So you fund with USDT TRC20, okay? That's USDT on the Tron network. The minimum, y'all catch this, the minimum amount that you can start with, yes, Tron Link will work. The minimum amount that you can start with is $9. 9 USDT. I want y'all to get this, 9 USDT. This program is for everybody. If you don't have 9 USDT, I don't think anything can help you, right? Not right now. You just pray, right? I'm gonna tell you, just do that. Pray for the 9 USDT. Borrow the 9 USDT. I don't know what you need to do, but 9, this is absolutely incredible. 9, anybody can get in this. Anybody can get in this, right? Here's another thing. I'll try to have a short Q&A at the end, Bruce. So look, what wallets have USDT TRC20? That's when we get this, right? We get this. Here's what I use, FTX. I love FTX. Not available for everybody. I understand that. But if you do have FTX, I think that's an incredible place. Now, what I will tell you with FTX, if you do purchase cryptocurrency on FTX, it will put a hold on it. So it's not a great place to actually purchase it, but they do have, actually have USDT TRC20, right? Now, Clever, this is another one. You can purchase USDT TRC20 on Clever, right? So Clever is another one that you can use. It has USDT TRC20. Kraken is another one that you can use. Exodus is another one that you can use. Trust Wallet is another one that you can use. Who Exchange, I'm just throwing out some right now. Who Exchange is another one that you can use. KuCoin is another one that you can use, okay? Changely is a place where you can purchase, Changely.com. You can purchase USDT there and send it straight over to COTP. MoonPay is another one. There you go, MoonPay, Simplex, all of those places that you can purchase USDT, okay? So that's an option for you there. So I just want to tell you, those are wallets that have that, right? How to withdraw. Here's what a lot of people, Coinbase only has ERC20. They don't have TRC20, right? So crypto.com, same way. They only have ERC20. They don't have TRC20. How to withdraw. Here's how you withdraw. Your withdrawals are sent in USDT. You fund with USDT, your withdrawals are sent in USDT TRC20. Your funds can be withdrawn whenever they're not in an active transaction. Your maximum withdrawal request is $20,000. You can withdraw $20,000 per request, but you can do unlimited requests. We just had somebody do 12 $20,000 withdrawals back to back in the same day. 12. Y'all can count up how much money that is if you want to. 12 $20,000 withdrawals in the same day, back to back, right? Here's another thing. Customer service. Most people want to know about that. They're going to be participating in a program. Customer service is available via the company website. You go right on the company website, and I'm going to show you in a second. You click on the website, you're going to get right into a chat. You could go right into a chat. You're going to get connected with the customer service representative, and you're going to they'll be able to answer your questions. Is there a fee for the withdrawals? Yes, there is a fee. Let me tell you what it is. The fee is 0.3%, not 3%, 0.3%. Come on, 0.3%. Do y'all see how incredible this is? Super incredible, right? Amazing platform. I'm telling you guys, amazing, amazing, amazing platform here. This is absolutely wonderful. I know there's more questions and things like that, but these are the most frequently asked questions here. So I want to tell you guys that is it. Please do not drop your, hold on. Please do not put your link in the chat. If you have to send it to someone directly, send it directly to them. Please do not drop your link in the chat. Right? So, all right. So let's go in. Let's go. Let's keep it moving here. Let's keep it moving. All right. Let's talk about some of the teams here. I just want you guys to get familiar because we have a lot of people. That's what I was trying to see if I could delete it. I don't know why somebody put that link in there, but it's not letting me delete it out right now. Yeah, it won't let me delete it. All right. Hold on for a second now. Give me 1 second, guys. Let's try to. Whoever put that in the chat, can you please delete it out of the chat? That does not, your link does not need to be in the chat at all. All right. Hold on, I'm looking at something. Hold on for just 1 second, guys. We're going to get this done here. There you go. You guys are on it. Thank you guys for that. But look, let's do some team introductions here. I know we have Jackson on the line, right? We have Jackson on the line tonight from Team Ignite, Jackson Armstrong. I know he has a lot of people on the line tonight. So I don't know if Jackson is able to comment tonight. I don't know if you are. Jackson, let me know. I saw you in the chat. If you're able to comment, if you're not, then that's absolutely fine. I totally understand. Oh, he is. All right, let's do this. Jackson, hold on. Let me get you here. Let me get you here. There you go. You should be able to unmute, Jackson.
Yeah. I'm in here.
Awesome. Incredible, brother. I'm glad to have you on tonight, man. I'm excited about this. I know you got a lot of people on here as well. I just want you to go ahead and just share with the people whatever you want to about this incredible platform, what you've been able to achieve.
Oh, man, I did the math the other night. Since the 12th of March, I've earned, because, of course, it's mostly because of the great people that's on this call and the people that have decided to join this program with me, and it's been awesome since March. I started with 5K. I let it go for a day, and then I was like, I'm making too much money not to make some more money. So I put another 15K in, so 20K starting, and since then I've made $321,000 in less than 2 months. You muted.
You got to say that again. You got to say that. You can't just say that once. Run it back.
So I made $321,000 in less than 2 months. It's been crazy, definitely life changing. It kind of leaves you speechless, right? Like I don't know. It's been crazy, and definitely I'm so grateful for the community that we built, that you built. I mean, you got a team of 1,000 people on your Telegram, and that's just the people that's in the Telegram. There's probably people that haven't joined the Telegram. So I'm sure you have more than 1,000. I think 1,022 people, almost 1,100 people, maybe in your Telegram group. And so I think I have 50 people direct to me. So definitely working on my way to get to where you are, as far as inspiring people enough to have them join you at that pace. But it's awesome. About 77,000 of that is from the trading. So you can see there that you don't need a lot of people to make a lot of money. You just have to be willing to take the leap, right? And so a lot of people, when I first put the 20K in, they were like, "You crazy? 20K? What you doing?" Like, look, I mean, sometimes you gotta take that risk, take that jump, and this time it paid off. Well, actually, most of the times I've taken that leap, it's paid off. So, gotta start sticking with my gut a lot more. I appreciate everybody that's on here, especially you, Anthony, and I don't know if Trace is on here. And I don't want to start naming everybody, but I know a lot of some big referrers, big people in the group that's sharing with a lot of people and helping a lot of people change their lives. It's been awesome. I appreciate it.
Incredible. Jackson is definitely setting the pace right now and making it happen and helping people around the world. And we're absolutely excited about his success. So we will continue to celebrate him on everything that he's doing and all the people he's been able to help. But guys, think about that 300. Y'all drop some fire in the chat for Jackson, by the way.
I forgot. Today I made 13,000.
13,000
referrals, and then I made another 3,000 for the trading. So about 16K today.
16K today. What'd you make yesterday?
16K.
16K yesterday, 16K today. Man, think about this. If y'all were making $16,000 a day, how much different would your life be? Not just Monday through Friday, but every day. And it grows every day.
Yeah.
That's fire.
That 20 I lost.
I told you would make it back. We said you would make it back in 2 days. You almost made it back in 1 day.
Yeah, I
did. That's good stuff, right? That's good stuff, man. Y'all see y'all drop fire in the chat for Jackson. I really appreciate you guys doing that. You guys doing that. Look, let's bring on one more person. Let's bring on Tori Mosley, if he is out there. Tori, if you are out there, let me know. Drop a 7 in the chat, Tori, so I can get you unmuted. Let you share really quick with the people. All right, you should be able to unmute, Tori.
Man, all I have to say is wow. I mean, I don't know what else I don't know what else I can actually say to even. Well, let me say this, ladies and gentlemen. There's not even a competition when it comes down to this opportunity, because I've been a part of a lot of things before where, you have to really sell your soul just to make this type of money that Jackson just actually made. Guys, did you hear that this gentleman has made over $300,000 in this exchange? And Jackson, how long you been in? Actually, Jackson's been in about, I would say at least 2 months.
Less than 2 months.
Less than 2 months. This guy's made over $300,000. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're hearing this information for the very first time, please do not take this lightly. I'm going to say that one more time. If you're hearing this for the very first time, please do not take this lightly, because I'm telling you, when I say we have to create generational wealth and we're here to show people how to become financially free, this is what we're talking about. The numbers that you heard from Jackson a long time ago, those are numbers that was far-fetched that no one can actually achieve. But These are normal numbers. This is going to become the new way of money. Okay? $16,000 in a day, that's normal now, especially for our team. Now, I'm going to be honest. I got started a little bit later, but I'm on track to have a six-figure month myself. So I'm telling you guys, this is nothing to play with. If you lost any money before in any deal, if you've been burned, if this is your first time getting involved in cryptocurrency, I encourage you to get started right away and do not play around with this. I'm telling you, every minute that you decide to not get started, every time you put this on hold, all you're doing is really hurting yourself, because at the end of the day, we make money whether someone decides to get involved with this or not. So the fact that someone decided to even invite you to this presentation, you really ought to consider yourself blessed, because a lot of people die every day in life and don't even know about this kind of stuff. I mean, there are people going to actually be paying out their houses. There are going to be people going to be paying out cars. They're going to be paying off student loans in less than 6 months. It's going to get to the point where the bank's not going to even know exactly how we're paying this stuff off. But these are the kind of problems that you want to have, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm just so excited. I'm glad to be a part of this team. And my pleasure to be one of the leaders to help serve each and every one of you guys, to really help put everyone in position to win in life and to be able to actually take advantage of this in the crypto space. You don't need a doctorate degree to do this. You don't have to speak English, okay? You don't have to learn how to read any charts, like Anthony said. As long as you know how to make a deposit, as long as you can log into your account, and as long as you know how to withdraw money, you can literally become a multimillionaire off of COTPS. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and actually turn it back over to you, Anthony. Please get started right away, ladies and gentlemen. Don't delay it. Don't procrastinate, because at the end of the day, this thing is serious and it's nothing to play with. So I'm going to turn it back over to you.
Incredible. Y'all drop some fire in the chat for Tori as well, for being willing to share, being a leader that's absolutely helping people and helping people create wealth around the world. So that's absolutely phenomenal as well, right? So now we're going to get into mine. I'm going to show you guys what I told you. I'll show you my withdrawal. I told you I'd rather show you better than I could tell you. So let me show you I want to show you my back office and stuff. Show you the platform for those of you all who have not seen it before. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. Let me do this. All right, guys. So if you can see my screen, drop a 1 in the chat for me. I just need to make sure you guys can see Crypto OTC platform on your screen right now. There we go. All right. So that looks like that's a yes. All right, good deal. So I got this on here. Let me show you a couple things. You can go to the company's official website by clicking official right here. For people that want to contact customer service, I want to let you know that you can contact customer service with this green button right here. I just wanted to let you guys know that, since we talked about that earlier. So that's available. So now we're on the home button. What I'm going to do now is go down to the transaction hall. This is where you would actually enter your trades. Right. This is where you will actually do the entering of the trades. My trades have already been entered. I'm on automation. Yes, there's a way for you to automate the trading process here. Right. And so you guys see that I have $47,132 in the platform right now. I will let you guys know that I started with $5,000 on March the 14th, $5,000 on March the 14th. I originally started with $1,000 on the 13th. I don't even count that because I got really excited and I put $4,000 more back, more into the program on the 14th. That was, I put it up to 5,000. And then once I put it up to 5,000, I just ran it up from there. And my 5,000 has grown to $47,000 right now. So that's how much I have in this platform. $47,000, $5,000 to $47,000, and it hasn't been 2 months. I am earning from the passive trading side. I am earning right now. Hold on, some people trying to get in. I am earning right now over. Oh, I think it's around $1,500 a day right now. Already today, I've earned over $1,300 today. I've earned $1,394 so far today. Right, so this is good passive income. There's people who don't make that amount passively through their jobs. I mean, not passively, but through their jobs, right? So I want to tell you that that's incredible. Here's what we're going to do. So now I've shown you that. I want to go and show you guys what I'm going to withdraw today. Let me make sure that my all my trades have run. Yeah, what time did my trades run? 21:11. That's 9:25. My trades ran around 9:25, so I'm good to go. So I'm going to see how much it is I'm going to be withdrawing today. Y'all ready to see? Y'all ready for me to show you the money? If you're ready for me to show you the money, drop a 2 in the chat. I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to withdraw today. If you're ready for me, there you go. I see the 2s. Here it is. I'm going to show you here. So I'm going to go in. And first, you see on my first level, on level 1, I've already made $99,000 on my level 1 of referrals through this in less than 2 months. That's $99,000 on my level 1, right? Today, for one day, I've made $4,777 from referrals on my level 1, right? So I'm going to go ahead and receive that. All right, level 2. So today, level 2, on my level 2, I've made $3,896 on my level 2 referrals today, right? For one day. So I'm going to receive that as well. On my level 3, I have earned $1,569 today from those referrals. So I'm going to receive that as well. All right, we're going to go back and we're going to see what the total amount was today, right? What was my total amount that I'm going to withdraw today? $10,243 is what I'm going to withdraw today, guys. If $10,000 a day sounds good to you, over $10,000 a day, if it sounds good to you, drop a 3 in the chat. Drop a 3 in the chat. If you're like, I would do $10,000 a day, I'll be cool with that, right? And this grows, guys. I'm telling you, this grows phenomenally, right? And so this is amazing. So let's go ahead. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the withdrawal process here. I'm not going to do my withdrawal on live for you, but I'm going to show you the withdrawal process, I promise. So here is the withdrawal process here. We'll go to withdrawals. Well, this is my withdrawal records. You see, I withdrew 10,000 on the 3rd. Now on the 2nd, it says I withdrew 5,000. That was simply because I split it. I put 5,000 into my deposit. I put a little bit more in my deposit, and then I withdrew 5,000. Right. On the 30th, I withdrew 9,000. On the 29th, I withdrew 7,800. On the 28th, I withdrew 8,150. On the 27th, I withdrew 6,900. On the 26th, I withdrew 7. So you guys see that the withdrawals are coming. The withdrawals are being done, right? Like, so you guys see that. So let's go back. I'm going to go to withdraw here to show you guys this. When you go to do a withdrawal, you can put in the amount that you want to withdraw here. So let's say if I want to withdraw $10,243, that means that you see that 0.3% withdrawal fee which means that I would get $10,212. I will put in my password here. This start certification, you have to take a picture of yourself, a selfie of yourself, right? When you do a withdrawal as a verification measure. And then you have to send a one-time passcode to your cell phone. So you have to send it goes as a text, right? So it goes there, and then you would hit submit, and then it hits your wallet. That's what you got to do, right? So that's how powerful, that's how easy, that's how simple that is for you to process a withdrawal with this incredible platform, right? So, but also, guys, you know, I love each and every one of you. You know what we say, we want to invest wisely. We will invest well. We will only invest what we are willing to lose. But you know, we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next time that we meet again, I want you guys to have an absolutely phenomenal day. And we are out.